Welcome to this short Annotare tutorial where we will calculate MD5 hashes for file upload. For files larger than 1 GB, you will need to upload them via FTP. Please use the access details provided in this window. Upload your files to the folder specified. Next, you need to calculate the MD5 in your local machine. This can be done for each file or multiple files together. In this example, we are using a Mac. However, the exact command for the MD5 calculation is platform specific. Copy and paste the MD5 to add the files to Annotare. This stage is necessary to confirm that all the files you've uploaded are the same as your locally stored files. This ensures that all your files were uploaded correctly to the server. If you get an MD5 error, it means that the file wasn't copied properly. In this case, try uploading it again to the server. Files can now be assigned.